Utter devastation. That is the reality that some Louisiana residents face as they head home tonight. The damage you see comes from the main street right there in Houma. It is just incredible to see. The power flickered back on today in parts of East New Orleans. For other areas, it may take weeks. And in towns like Grand Isle, this view from the air, so many houses, just the stilts left, so many families returning to absolutely nothing. But Southeast Texas is stepping in to help in a big way. 12 News reporter Cameron Seibert with us live tonight at Beaumont Municipal Airport with a new push.
Jordan, we're now 4 days from when Ida made landfall in Louisiana, and our community here in Southeast Texas continues to find ways to lend a hand. Tonight, I'm at Beaumont Municipal Airport, where those efforts are getting set to go airborne. Businesses, organizations, and churches. Everyone is pitching in to help our neighbors in need, and soon those efforts will take flight.
The general aviation and business aviation world always steps up in times of crisis. Like I said, we are able to quickly adapt to change.
Especially after a hurricane when roads can be difficult to navigate.
Damage caused by hurricanes, the storms tend to damage the roads, make them impassable.
Chris Moe is the regional manager at Beaumont Municipal Airport. He knows just how efficient airplanes can be.
An airplane can get there in 45 minutes.
That's why he's working with the National Air Transportation Association, or NATA, an aero bridge to help get supplies to Louisiana.
So in the next couple of days, the Beaumont Municipal Airport is being used as a staging point for relief efforts.
Supplies are coming in from all over the country, but people here in Beaumont can also help.
If people decide they want to bring supplies, they can bring them here to 455 Keith Road.
It's just another way Southeast Texas has been happy to lend a hand.
It's very fulfilling to have that ability to be able to help in whatever way we can.
That is the purpose. We're collecting these resources, and we want to get them there as quickly as possible to those in need.
If you want to help, you can bring donations directly to Beaumont Municipal Airport. Planes are going to be going back and forth to Louisiana in various locations. Live in Beaumont, Cameron Seibert, 12 News.